Which synonym belongs to hackneyed? The correct answer is threadbare. Which synonym belongs to despise? The correct answer is disdain. Which synonym belongs to noisome? The correct answer is fetid. Which synonym belongs to overblown? The correct answer is inflated. Which synonym belongs to mortify? The correct answer is humiliate. Which synonym belongs to predetermine? The correct answer is foredetermine. Which synonym belongs to brave? The correct answer is bold. Which synonym belongs to haphazard? The correct answer is random. Which synonym belongs to respite? The correct answer is recess. Which synonym belongs to furtive? The correct answer is surreptitious. Which synonym belongs to contention? The correct answer is wrangling. Which synonym belongs to slack? The correct answer is calm. Which synonym belongs to provender? The correct answer is fodder. Which synonym belongs to necrology? The correct answer is obituary. Which synonym belongs to indulge? The correct answer is pamper. Which synonym belongs to compunction? The correct answer is qualm. Which synonym belongs to chronic? The correct answer is terrible. Which synonym belongs to nocturnal? The correct answer is stark clock. Which synonym belongs to rescind? The correct answer is recall. Which synonym belongs to distant? The correct answer is aloof.